Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to invert selection. So for example, I will insert the cube object, the next appear. Okay, you can move like into this blue axis and we insert again for the cone, move into red axis. Now I will select this cube object, and if you want to invert the selection, you can go to selection menu, click invert, so to be automatically invert the selection. Okay, we'll select again this submit, go to select menu, and then use the invert to invert the selection. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to invert selection.